we followed these elephants down this road, these ones here, but then they couldn't come back again, so they've gone through the bush here, and come out here. So actually we're completely stuck, and
it's a roundabout.
there's a little baby, look, and there's loads of babies, so they're quite angry because we keep threatening their babies, and they keep storming at us. Oh my god, they're tiny, look at the big baby. And basically we're screwed.
Yeah, they're quite close.
So, yeah, so maybe...
So these
They're going into the bush.
They're going that way.
No, the ones behind us I'm more worried about.
No, they're coming really, really, really close.
Let me close your window.
With their babies.
Well, they're starting to go around.
Left now. Yeah, they're going to the bush.
She's acting as a guard. Did you get that baby on film?
Yeah.
Baby.